Today I'm going to mark some of my mated queens with a green dot. This is oil based marker. I'm going to use this, squeeze down, hold the queen on the frame, and then I'm going to try this as well, where you pick her up, slide her in, trap her there, squeeze it up, and then mark her. Got my tools, cleaning, and some sodium carbonate. Gloves being cleaned already. There we go. So it should be nice and hygienic. Let's see how it goes. Pretty poor flow at the moment, coming to the end of the main flow. It's not been a great year for honey. Bees are doing alright, just not bringing in any honey. So yeah, fingers crossed for the next couple of weeks. Start with this little one. Ideally I should have less thick gloves on for this. You can see eggs, larvae. Really dark queen. This way. Slowly push the slider down. You don't want to trap the queen halfway through the door. Okay, so she's in. The others can get out, but she won't be able to. This up gently. So there she is. Can't really move. Get my pen, make sure it's shaken up. I'll mark her gently and let it dry a bit. Pull the sponge down. Could have clipped the wing then. And just let her dry off a bit in there. Then we'll put it back in. A good way of practice picking up queens is to pick up drones, so they won't sting you. Okay, pull it back, making sure you're not going to trap her. Let her just walk on. We'll let her fall on. There she is. Put her in nice and quickly. There, a marked queen. These guys still got a bit of food left, but they will get another feed probably tonight. So let's check this one. Nice emerging brood. Some nice buckfast looking bees. Okay, there she is. Put them down gently. Get up. Let some of the bees get out, they'll fly out. Push her up carefully. Get it wedged as you can. Give her a dot. Release her a bit because she's not in there great. Let her dry off a bit and let her out. If she ever wants to come out. They're trying to get it off her a bit. Come on. Nice looking queen. Be nice if she left. Right, come on, enough of this. There she is. Oop, don't ball her. Okay, there she is. Should be fine. Let's put it back in. If you don't like picking up queens, then this is a pretty good way of doing it. It's not marked, light brown. So let's see if we can find her. In the top box, not on that frame yet. Drawing out that frame. Lots of eggs. Can't see on there, so I'm going to pick up this top box and put it on top of the lid. Not on the feeder. Carefully. She might be in there still. Right, they're not on this one, they've just gone straight up. Stores on there. Very happy because the weather's bad. There is she. There she is. So this one, I'm going to put this on her. Put it down like that. So you can't really see here and there at the moment. I need to push it down slowly and she'll become squashed. So be very careful this way. Don't get squashed under a piece of glass. I don't really like this way. Okay, so she is there, squashed. Hopefully not too squashed. Right, she's got green on her. Pull it up a bit. Now don't let her out for a sec. Okay, I'm going to let her out now. She's on the thing. Get off the thing. There you go, she's out. But I've seen queens with lots of paint on them before survive for a long time, so I wouldn't be too worried. They'll get most of that off her. That's another marked queen. There's the queen. Very nice looking queen. Don't want her to fall off in this wind. Okay. Release her. There she is, coming out. Smelling slightly funny. Okay, there she is. Alright, let's mark her. Okay, release her. There she goes. And let's just put it back in. Nice and carefully. Can't see her there. Lots of eggs on here. Oh, there she is. Up. Mind she's not in the way. She is a bit in the way at the moment. There she goes. Don't go up there. Come on, that's where you live. There she is. Now let's get her back in. So after looking for about 10 minutes, quarter of an hour, I eventually found her. Squash it down. It stops itself, so you don't squash them completely. Just let her out without getting her cut in half or anything. There she goes. Another green dot queen. Sun's out and the bees are getting busier. These guys look like they're about to swarm, which I think is a definite possibility. Capped queen cell on a frame. They might have made more. Right, if they do swarm, I will try and catch them. Yeah, I'd say they are swarming. Okay, slight change to the video for a minute. We'll see where they go. So we are basically in the start of a swarm here. Very frantic. Well, I obviously didn't knock down enough cells. Wow. Very cool. Not great to lose your bees. Hopefully I will catch them. Intense. I think they're going to settle somewhere on that tree. That's where these guys settled, and I put them in a box there. Half of them might be going in that box. Crazy. Forming a cluster here. 2 clusters. Right, now I'll get some equipment. See if I can get these guys in these boxes, in a box. So I've put a box underneath it for a second. I'm going to let them settle down and then maybe try and move them in. Okay, I'm going to take out a couple of brood frames. Not brood frames, take out a couple of drawn frames. See if I can get the bees to walk onto them and put them in, and then basically keep doing that. Just hold it here for a bit. Well, that's those guys not making any more honey. Bees on there. Don't see a queen. Bees on there. Again, I don't see a queen. Gently put them in. Just hold the frame up. Don't see a queen on there. Lots of bees on there. not knock them out too much. Oops. Don't see a queen. Okay, now I'm just going to leave them for a second, see if they settle like this. So I'm going to shake these into this lid and then see if I can get them to go in front door. Keep that lid. There's the queen. So I have the queen in here. I'm going to get it to go through the front door by just opening it just right at the bottom. Right, she's gone in. She went straight in. Now she's in. They will charge in. So I've only managed to mark 7 queens before that swarm distracted me. Not sure how many left I've got to do. Quite a few. Settling in nicely, I think, hopefully. Nothing left in the tree. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you could like and subscribe, that would be great. Thank you.